So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. Before I will continue, I would like to check out if the stream is working properly. Yes, it does, nice. So yeah, let's see the system information, the exact details using the GUI. It has 32 gigabytes of RAM. The CPU is an AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX. The GPU also an AMD Radeon RX 6800M. The system has 2 terabytes of SD storage space. Today and for the next few days I'll be using Nyarch Linux. I hope that I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's the latest release, sometime according to this number late April, and it's on GNOME version 50, Wayland of course, and the Linux kernel is Linux 7.1.3 blah blah blah. Anyway, with these things out of the way, this is what the system has in place as the terminal appearance is going on. I mean, this is the fast fetch. This is something that most probably I will try to change in the next few days. And as you can see, the system has it's GNOME of course, and it has a few extra things in place. I'll read up on the main website for the system, but before I will do that, I will go now and show you my OBS settings. Here we are. The video is full 4K resolution at 30 FPS. I'm using 16,000 bitrate. Hardware encoders for audio it's FMPEG AAC, and for the video FMPEG VAPI H.264. And for the file I'm using MKV of course. And yeah, I know this came out of the blue. I mean, this Linux distribution came out of the blue, but let's find out more about it. So, as it says here, the perfect Linux distribution for degenerated weebs. Now, am I considering myself a weeb, let alone degenerate? No, but I just wanted to know about this one. Anyway, so yeah, here is the deal. Arts based, so you also need a neck beard. I don't know about that, but I have a kind of beard. I hope that's fine with them. Anyway, as it says here, download now. I will show you now what is happening when you go there. So they have two versions, GNOME and KD Plasma. I went with GNOME, and most probably I will give a shot in KD Plasma as well, maybe after this one. And yeah, anyway, back at the main page, learn more, and basically it just flows the website below, and it says enhance your web flow. This is so funny to me. I don't know why, but it's so funny. Nyarch Linux offers the best open source apps that every weeb needs pre-installed. Komiku, a clean manga and webtoon reader with library management and reading progressing ready out of the box. I have no clue what this is. Nekoplay, high performance video player specifically made for anime, supporting anime 4K upscaling, 90s skips, subtitles and dubs. Okay, I guess. Fragments is an easy to use BitTorrent client. It can be used to transfer files via the BitTorrent protocol. Very good to download your Linux ISOs. Lollipop is an amazingly lightweight music player with a party mode for streaming music from the internet or playing music from your own collection. Shortwave, listen to your web radio with shortwave. I don't know what is going on. Neofets, because I'm guessing of the kitty. Neofets, I love it. So it's like Nyarch Linux, something like that. Oh, the people behind this must be either so funny or so peculiar. I use Nyarch, by the way. Yeah, Catgirl Downloader. This application satisfies one of the most important needs a weeb has: getting random pictures of cute cat girls whenever you want. I don't know. And then Nyarch Assistant. AI slop, but with anime. Girls. Cute. Whatever. I don't know if I will give it a try, all these things. They try to explain further. And here we are with GNOME Edition that we are using right now. Technical features. Anyway, you can read at your own pace the website. Nyarch Linux. Fantastic. Anyway, so yeah. The install, I must admit, it wasn't that difficult. Just like most modern distributions, easy to use, compatible with my Vento USB stick. Always nice to see. So thank you for that. And then when you log in, you have various tools that you can use. For example, something like where is it? I think this one, Nyarch Customize. Yes. And you can select how you want to have your desktop environment to appear to be. I went with this one, top panel with left dock. And they also have this one, settings for theming. I've disabled this one, so I went with the default thing. Anyway, and I think I enabled this one. It wasn't like this. I don't recall. Anyway, these are my settings at the moment. And then more or less what appears up here, it's the default, more or less. For example, I have added the weather wall clock here. And also I have noticed that every time that my wallpaper switches to the next one, and so on, I get this message saying applied material, applied material U expressive dark theme. Some apps may require relogging in to update. But I didn't notice anything, any other trouble with it besides poking me again and again with the notifications. So yeah, of course I will customize the system as I see fit, just like always. But for now, this is what more or less the default looks are. I've also changed maybe the colors. I think it was like even more darker. I don't recall how. It was some kind of dark brown, dark red color than this purple. Anyway, and also I changed this logo here. They had some other kind of a logo. But yeah, anyway, and the usual silly things, at least silly for me, are like when I move my window up here, the top panel is still there, and it doesn't auto hide as it is. And also when I move, the dock is not auto hiding. I have to move a window just like that in order to make it disappear. But yeah, we will get there. And of course, as you may have noticed, I have installed my usual set of apps that I like to use in my systems, like GIMP, like GwenView, Inkscape, Krita, such things like LibreOffice Writer, the LibreOffice in general, I mean, and so on. So yeah, and also I pre-installed in order to use extensions, my preferred extensions. So more on this in the days ahead. The system has quite a few extras for a GNOME setup. I don't know if it's supposed to be some kind of comical or funny or fun distro release, but my guess is that people exist out there who love to read manga, the whole Japanese pop culture phenomenon. They're interested in it, and if this Linux distribution has anything to offer to these people, why not? Of course, my understanding is that you, in order to use all these things, you don't have to use this particular Linux distribution. I haven't done it myself, but I'm pretty sure that most of these tools, if not every single tool or one of them, most probably you can use in any other distro. But you have one that has everything included, already set up for you. And if you are such a degenerated weeb with a neck beard, then this is the preferred distro for you, and maybe you just have to go with KDE Plasma or GNOME, whichever you prefer. Anyway, I don't want to drag this any longer. Nyarch Linux is going to be the thing for the next few days, and I will keep you updated with my experiences, with my customizations, and so on. I think the only customization that I did almost instantly, it was the terminal. I switched it to Fizz now that I'm remembering. It was Bass, so I like Fizz, so I went with that almost instantly. And yeah, we'll see. So far it has been stable, no problems, besides that notification again and again. And I don't know if that notification will keep popping up after I will do my customizations, but I will let it be until I will know what makes it tick, so to speak. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. Yes. Sorry. See you on the next one. Bye.